Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A98, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a screen recording toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you the second page where the toggle is located for me, as you can see right here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will give you some kind of notifications that it require access to a couple different things. At least it's going to show up the first time around. So I'm going to allow everything, and from there you can see this overlay. With a record, here you can choose what kind of sound it will be recording. So here that is the sound that the phone will be making. Next to that you have a microphone. So there we go, and you can also close it. So I'm going to select the record button right now. It gives you the countdown now, so you know how long you've been recording, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Now that being said, I'm going to open up Netflix just to kind of showcase something, although I guess I'm not because it's something happened to it. But anyway, so whatever you'll do will be recorded, and once you're done you can stop this by selecting it right here, and then I'm gonna select the check mark and it gets saved. Now I wanted to show you Netflix because that's one of the applications that blocks screen recordings. So if you try to record anything in there, it will automatically just kind of block it and give you a fully black screen. So you won't be able to record or screen record things like TV shows. So that is something to keep in mind. Some applications have a little bit too much control over your device. It's personal, but not when it comes down to corporate greed. So, you know, it is what it is. But once you, I guess, find some kind of applications that block it, you can quickly define them based on you getting provided with a completely black screen. And one thing that screen or applications cannot block, it seems like, is the sound. So when you're recording even something like Netflix shows, it will record the sound from them, just not the image. So just a little tip. Anyway, let's find the screen recording in our Photos application, which will be in the Google's folder. And you can see it right here. It is located in the album called Screenshots. So if you want to later on look for it in albums, you can find it in there. And obviously it's going to show up at the front. And there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.